I'm going to show you how to recover your Steam account without your email or your phone number. So if you don't remember what was associated to your account, there is an option to be able to recover that account. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open up a web browser and we're going to go to the Steam website. So that's store.steampowered.com. So go ahead and search that in your search bar, click on the results, and then once we're on this website, we're going to go click on sign in. And then instead of signing in, we're going to click help, I can't sign in. Once we're here, we're going to click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. And then here, it's going to have you enter your email address, but we're just going to put in any fake email address that we want. And we're going to click to make sure that we are human, and click search. And then we're going to select I no longer have access to this email or did not receive a code. And then here, you can put in an email address that they will send to you. And then down below, we're going to put in any information that we may know about the account. So like the first email that we used in the account or a phone number of the account, and then any issues that we're currently having. So this is where you can specify that you're having a trouble logging in. And you put the email that you can access that they will respond to you so that you can continue the process. And then specify that you're not a human, and then go ahead and click send. And then you'll be able to handle the rest of the process through email to try and recover your Steam account. Now, hopefully you found this helpful and were able to recover your account. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.